Good morning, children. Today we will join with new exercises, that is D6. But the exercise D6 is directly connected to the previous part, that is D5. So just first you have to revise your D5, then you can do your exercise D6 yet now. In D5, children, you have written so many words like barley, a cereal plant, border, edge, short and thick, stumpy, noon, midday, long step, strides, pain from injury, sore. These are the words that are directly related. The words which have the similar meaning. The cereal plant, the similar meaning word is barley. The border, that have similar meaning word, that is edge. Short and thick, the similar meaning word, that is stumpy. Noon, the similar meaning word, that is midday. Long step has similar meaning word, that is strides. Pain from injury, the similar meaning word, that is sore. Then you have to pick out from these words barley, edge, stumpy, midday, strides and sore. And to pick up this work, you have to fill in this blanks D6. Fill in the blanks of D6. In D6, use the above words to fill in the blanks. The first one, the baby sleeps from midday to the evening. Then the baby sleeps from dash to the evening. Before evening, what is the time? Before evening, the time will be the midday time. So, you have to choose out of this the word midday in first. In second, the boy was standing at the edge of the mountain. The boy was standing at the edge of the mountain. Mountain's edge. Okay, at the peak of the mountain. कहाँ पे खड़ा है? At the peak of the mountain. And the mountain, from choosing these words, I have chosen edge word. So, I have written here, the boy was standing at the edge of the mountain. The third one, Ravi saw a barley field in the village. What Ravi saw in the field in the village? Ravi saw a dash field in the village. Ravi saw a barley field in the village. So you have to write in this column barley field, B-A-R-L-E-Y, it's barley. Now the fourth one, after the fight, the barber had dash muscles. After the fight, the barber had sore muscles. After fight, the barber had met with some painful injury. Okay, so the word related to the pain from injury is sore word. So after the fight, the barber had sore muscles. Then you have to write in this column, in this blank, sore, S-O-R-E. Now the giant took long dash to catch the naughty dove. The giant took long to catch the naughty dove. Children, do you know the meaning of giant? Giant, a large, okay, a very huge, बहुत ही विशाल. That's the word called giant. Huge means vishal. And opposite to the word giant is dwarf, D-W-A-R-F. It's D-W-A-R-F, dwarf. Dwarf means bona, very little, very teeny. Dwarf. Giant word, the dwarf is opposite of giant and giant is opposite of dwarf. The spelling of giant, G-I-A-N-T, the giant, like monster. Monster look like giant. a very huge personality of a monster? Okay, so these are the giants. The giants took long strides, and strides meaning long steps. You have already learned the word strides. The ostrich has long strides to walk, and means ostrich has long steps to walk. The giant took long strides to catch the naughty dove. So, first you revise your once more. Keep your eyes on this. In D6, use the above words to fill in the blanks. The first one, the baby sleeps from midday to evening. Baby sleeps, and before evening, what is that? The midday. So we will use the word midday. The baby sleeps from midday to evening. The second one, the boy was standing at the edge of the mountain. The boy was standing at the edge of the mountain. Mountain के किनारे पे. Okay. Ravi saw a barley field in the village. What Ravi saw in the village? Ravi saw a barley field, like in the story Ostrich and Hedgehog. There is a barley field. Like that, Ravi has also barley field in the village. So Ravi saw a barley field in the village. After the fight, the barber had sore in his muscle. After so much fight, you also conduct fight with your friends or family members like small sisters, brothers. So somebody you have wound, you have injured, sometimes you have injured, so that after the fight the barber had had injured his muscles. So here we choose the word sore. Sore word is used for pain from injury. So barber had pain in his muscles. So we can write the word sore here. After the fight, the barber had sore in his muscles. The last one, the giant took long strides to catch the naughty dwarf. The giant, what's the meaning of giant? Giant is a huge personality, and it is also called monster. Giant will be monster. The giant took long strides, 2 long steps. Like ostrich has a long steps, just like giant took long steps to catch the naughty dwarf. Dwarf is the बॉनी को कहते हैं डॉफ. Okay, then dwarf is the opposite of giant. What is the opposite of giant? Dwarf. And what is the opposite of dwarf? The word giant. Okay, giant. The giant took long strides to catch the naughty dwarf. Then this is your fill in the blanks of D6. Use the above words to fill in the blanks. So just repeat the word midday, midday. It's midday. midday. It's midday. Edge, edge. It's edge. edge. It's edge. barley. It's barley. barley. It's barley. Now sore. It's sore. sore. It's sore. It's sore. Now strides. 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 Strides means long step. Sore means pain, injury. Barley is a cereal. Edge. Edge is the border. Edge is the border. And midday is the noon time. दोपहर का वक्त. Okay. Midday is the noon time. Edge is the border. Barley is the cereal. Sore is a painful state. Okay. Strides is a long step. So, in this way, you will do in your book. Children, in D7, what you have to do? Just read the question. First, you have to read the question clearly. Imagine that you are the hedgehog. आपको imagine करना है कि suppose you are the hedgehog. You are the character of hedgehog. You are not hedgehog, but you are. Imagine that you have the character of hedgehog. Okay. Now, in a short paragraph, describe. छोटे पैराग्राफ्स में आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है, लिखना है हाउ यू फूल्ड द ऑस्ट्रिच. आपने ऑस्ट्रिच को कैसे मूर्ख बनाया? क्या आपने ऑस्ट्रिच को मूर्ख बनाया? आपके इमेजिनेशन में, इन योर इमेजिनेशन, हैव यू फूल्ड द ऑस्ट्रिच? ऑफ कोर्स यस. लाइक hedgehog, you can also fool the ostrich by making some plan, by some proper ideas or implementing your plans. You can win the race. For winning, you can also implement your mind, implement your ideas. So, but in answer, you have to write your imagination in short sentences. Okay, children? In short sentences, 2 or 3 or 4 sentences, you can write the paragraph easily. Okay? So, first paragraph you can write in this way. I feel bad when ostrich. What ostrich do with hedgehog? When ostrich insulting me. Insult कर रहा था ना? कौन कर रहा था? ऑस्ट्रिच इंसल्ट कर रहा था किसको? hedgehog. So suppose you are hedgehog, then you can write I feel bad when ostrich insulting me. I made a plan. What made plan? I made a plan. What plan that? To teach, T-E-A-C-H, teach ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich, a lesson. I made a plan to teach ostrich a lesson. What the lesson? What is that lesson? I called. Call means बुलाना. Okay. I called my. किसे बुलाना है आपको? Relatives. Relatives क्या होता है children? What is the relatives? Relatives, you're all family members. Okay. I called my relatives and what's your plan? And the plan is I made them stand. कहाँ खड़ा करना है आपकी इमेजिनेशन में? Your relatives. I made them stand at the end of each row of barley, B-A-R-L-E-Y, barley field. Okay. What is the plan? I called my relatives and made them stand at the end of each row of barley field. Now, the ostrich could, क्या समझ सका था ये प्लान को? Could not. No. Ostrich could not understand the plan. Understand my plan. Okay? And in this way, and I won the race. And I won the WON won the race by befooling the ostrich. Okay, by befooling the ostrich. Okay, children, you can write in this type 1, 2, 3, 4 and last 5 lines. Okay, this is the paragraph. First, I feel bad when ostrich insulting me. The sex one, बहुत इंसल्ट फील हुआ था जब ऑस्ट्रिच ने कहा था how could I greet you, hedgehog? Okay, you are very stumpy creatures. Okay, so these lines helps to feel very bad to the hedgehog. I made a plan to teach ostrich a lesson. I made a plan to teach an ostrich a lesson. To teach an ostrich a lesson. Okay, lesson सिखाना था, उसे सबक सिखाने का प्लान कर लिया. I called my relatives and made them stand at the end of each row of barley field. और मैंने अपने सारे relatives को क्या किया, उन्हें बार्ली के हर एंड पे, हर रो के हर एंड पे उन्हें स्टैंड किया, खड़ा कर दिया. Fourth line, the ostrich could not understand my plan. Ostrich could not understand my plan, but ostrich को समझ नहीं आ सका प्लान का. And I won the race by befalling the ostrich. And finally, the hedgehog, means me, won the race by befalling the ostrich. So in this way you can write the paragraph very easily in small sentences. First, I feel you can also write in other way also, in your own sentence also, like I would have not able to defeat ostrich if my relatives had not helped. I just made them stand in end of each row and thus made him full and finally won the race. You can also write in this way also. I just made them stand in each row and thus made him full. Okay, in short sentences also you can write I fooled the ostrich in the race. I fooled the ostrich in the race. I took help of my relatives in winning the race. I beat him and taught him a lesson that we are not small creatures and weak creatures. We are just looking small. We are just looking small, but not weak in nature. We are very strong. We are too very strong. We are to compete with other ones, other big creatures. Okay, by implementing proper plan, proper ideas, proper thought, we can also win the race. So don't fool the other one. Okay, children, don't fool we should not make fool of others. Okay, we should not make fool of others. We should not look down upon others. Ever look down upon others? No, never look down upon others. Always greet others, always respect others, always respect the ideas of others. Okay, so in this way you can write the paragraphs and in your book there is a space given, so write in your book and perfectly do in your copy. D7 perfectly you can write in, you will have to write in your copy also, so do it just. Thank you children. We will meet tomorrow in next class, next session, okay, and we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye.